Check it out, guys. The much anticipated 2024 KTM 65SX, all new for this year. Let's talk about the specs. So obviously we get the new bodywork to match the big bikes, just like the 50, but they also carried something else from the 52, and that is the adjustable body, and this is going to be huge for kids. So tank, seat, subframe, shock, it's all adjustable, so you can raise and lower this bike based on the size of the kid. And that's going to take you from 28 to 30 inches. So this is really going to help the adjustability of kids learning to ride these machines. So we also got a new engine, and I don't have all the details on that, but I know it is a brand new cylinder head, a reworked DS clutch, and a new digital ignition. There's new radiators by Pankel, a new frame, and a new subframe. The 65 also gets the new exhaust with the smoothed over welds inside. We also get new foot pegs, new shifter, and a new Kickstarter. We get the WP Exact 35 air forks, which are great for kids, very adjustable, free spring rate changes. And then we get a reworked Exact rear shock as well. And then the brakes are going to be Formula calipers front and rear with wave rotor. Pumped to see these things in action, and you should start seeing these on dealership floors in November. If you're interested in a 50 or 65, email sales@aomc.mx. Talk to John Rager, the AOMC salesman. He will get your name down on one of these. Tell him you saw my video. And as always, if you appreciate these videos, you'd like to pay it forward just a little bit, just grab your parts from AOMC via the link in my link tree. Thanks, y'all.